Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to discuss about superposition theorem along with some examples. So what exactly is the theorem of superposition? It states the current through, or voltage across, any element of a network is equal to the algebraic sum of the currents or voltages produced independently by each source. In other words, this theorem simplifies the circuit analysis by allowing us to calculate the voltage or current while considering the effect of each source individually. To find these values, the following steps are used. First, replace all of the power sources except one. Then, calculate the voltages and currents due to each individual source. Finally, combine the voltage or currents values from each individual sources. Let us now go through an example. From the given circuit, we need to determine the value of current I2. To do this, we apply the principle of superposition by considering one source at a time. First, we replace the 9-amp current source with an open circuit, as shown in the figure, while keeping the 36-volt voltage source active. We then calculate the total resistance and use Ohm's law to find I2, which is 2 amps. This gives us the current through the resistor associated with I2. Next, we restore the 9-amp current source and replace the 36-volt voltage source with a short circuit. Using Kirchhoff's current law, KCL, we determine I2, which is equal to 6 amps. Finally, we combine the values of I2 obtained from the 36-volt voltage source and the 9-amp current source, giving a total of 8 amps. Let's solve this circuit using the superposition theorem. We need to find the current I2 flowing through the 12-ohm resistor. Remember, with superposition, we consider one source at a time. First, let's take the 54-volt source and replace the 48-volt source with a short circuit. Using the current divider rule, we find I2 is equal to 0.5 amps. Next, we do the opposite. Keep the 48-volt source and short the 54-volt source. Using KCL and Ohm's law, or alternatively, Thevenin's theorem, we calculate I2 is equal to 2.67 amps. Finally, since the two sources act in opposite directions, we subtract the results, and that gives us the final current through the 12-ohm resistor, that is 2.17 amps. Hope this helped you understand how to use the superposition theorem. Thank you so much for watching.